Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bank account for a BMO Harris bank. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. So first thing you need to do is open Chrome on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bmoharris.com. Once you enter the URL, you'll be headed to this website. Then click on the sign in button at the top right. Then click on the mobile banking right below. So once you do that, you'll be headed to this page and click on the register button below. So once you do that, you'll then be required to enter your information in order to create your account. So first, choose your account type. Once you choose your account type, enter your account number. Once you enter your account number, you need to enter your social security number or tax identification number. Once you do that, you'll be headed to the other sections where you'll need to enter some of your other informations. Once you fill in all your informations, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the online banking account for the BMO Harris Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.